Ever wished to chat with computers? Welcome to the world of Python, where talking to computers is as easy as pie. Picture this. Python is like a magical language that computers comprehend. It's the secret code to instruct your computer, much like how you'd guide a robot friend to make a sandwich. Intriguing, isn't it? Why choose Python, you ask? Well, Python is as easy to read as your favorite storybook, making it ideal for young learners. It's super versatile, just like a magic wand that can create games, art, puzzles, and even your own apps. And the best part? You get to be part of a community that loves Python as much as you will, sharing ideas and helping each other out. To start this magical journey, we first need to install Python on your computer. Think of it as unwrapping a new toy. Next, we step into the Python Imagine Drawing Environment, or IDE. It's your magical canvas to write Python code, the place where you cast your spells. In Python, we use a combination of words and symbols to create these spells. To say, "Hello world," to your robot friend, for example, you simply write, "It's that simple." Now imagine having boxes to store things. In Python, we use variables, magic boxes of sorts, to store information. For instance, to store the ingredients for a sandwich, you would write. Python also has different types of magic potions, or data types as we call them. Integers for whole numbers, floats for decimal numbers, strings for text, and booleans for true or false statements. Next up, we have Python operators, the magic wands for doing math, plus to add things together, minus to take things away, asterisk to multiply, and the slash to divide. But Python isn't just about casting spells. It's also about making decisions. With Python, you can use conditional statements to do something if a certain condition is true, and do something else if it's not. You can also use loops to repeat something over and over, like singing your favorite song on loop. Lastly, we have functions and modules. Functions are like recipes. You write them once and use them whenever you want. Modules, on the other hand, are like special books filled with extra spells. And here's the cool part. Python isn't just for fun. It has real-life applications too. It's used in web development to build magical web pages, in data analysis to study things like climate change, and in artificial intelligence to make computers smart. So there you have it. Python is your magical wand. Use it to create, explore, and have fun. And if you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask. After all, every great wizard started as an apprentice. Happy coding?